Ganun kagaling ha, for Julia to.
Hindi ba ko kaya yun?
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ako sa panisisento.
Sampo.
Kailangan ko may music.
Bago kasing dance girls, yung alam niya yung Nene. Ang isa pa rin. Seryoso ba ito?
Seryoso?
Ang ganda ng case niya ng album. Tsaka Kaya si Mami Joel, ayan shoot natin para ma-repost, ma-refresh.
Ay, talaga.
Ay, nag-blush siya. Shine nga. Tingnan mo.
Basically yung Nene, just like, bago siya dance, di ba dati Doggy? But basically yung Nene yung bago lumalabas na, basically Doggy, version of Doggy na kakaiba lang. But, is that?
How do you spell it?
N-A-E-N-A-E.
N-A-E-N-A-E. Kung say it na.
Nene.
Cute.
Merong pangit yung nakita ko pa dumi.
Hindi pa satisfied. Hindi satisfied.
Pag nasa Amerika kasi madali.
Oo. Nagpamisan na.
Anyway, thank you.
I'll see you sa premiere night ha.
Of course. Love na love ko yun.
Jewel, ito may question ako. Kailan kita na? Iba yung aura mo ngayon. Napansin din ang press. Ibang aura mo pagkasama mo si Inigo. Hindi ko ito nakita itong pagiging bubbly mo, masaya ka. Ano bang meron si Inigo na you work with other actors pero hindi ko nakita ganyan kasaya?
Kasi comfortable talaga ako sa kanya sa bibig. I can do this to him, pero walang malice. At saka yung...
Hindi mo ginawa kay Ken, tsaka kay Sam, kay before.
Hindi naman, comfortable naman ako sa kanya yung dalawa. I don't know, siguro kasi mas close yung age namin and... Well, actually, I'm older than Inigo, so siguro that's another...
6 months lang.
Oh, pero kaya na. I mean, compare naman our souls. Pero I feel comfortable being myself, acting like a kid. Kasi nga, like what I always say, I'm such an old soul, and it's Inigo who brings out the kid in me all the time. Parang siya yung everyday reminder ko na, have fun, relax.
Kasi kung ikaw lang to,
Oh, seryoso?
lalim-lalima na naman, deep na naman.
Ano, parang, good friend talaga eh.
Have you seen Milan?
Milan?
The
Of
movie.
course!
Would you want, together in a movie and a material like that?
Yes, of course.
Oo. Have you seen it?
Yes, of course, yes.
Okay.
Dinam-smash namin yun.
Yeah. Nandito pa ako na nang ginagawa. Just sabi sa akin tao na I hope someday magiging partner rin ni Julia when they work with Milan.
Okay. Ganito ka pakaliit. Siya talaga.
Ganun yun.
Okay. This is a fun afternoon. Who would like to, Bernie, you want to ask a question?
Double R.
Ayan, sige si Bernie ng pep.ph.
Thank you. Kay Inigo, you took care out of the shadow of your father.
Hindi ko mawawala.
I am Inigo.
And I'm not embarrassed about it. I'm super proud because of that. Dahil kung wala naman si Papa, I wouldn't be here. And hindi ko, I don't wish to be known na, I mean, I wish to be known as just Inigo Pascual, pero hindi ko i-wish na mawala yun. Dahil it's an honor to be known as Piolo's son. So, at this point, hindi ko masabi na I'm out of the shadow dahil I'm starting out, you know, I'm barely sa my first essay, so hindi ko, I'm still trying to prove myself to people.
So, you said you're trying to prove yourself, but how do you feel now you're proving yourself now?
It's awesome, it's good. I'm happy that I'm able to show, pati yung dance, I'm able to show a different side of me. Yung, even I met with Star Records, kanina lang actually. I presented my original songs. So I'm excited about that kasi original songs ko, mga sinulat ko talaga. So in that way, I can really show, yung ako, yung sino ako. So I'm super excited with that comes out.
Okay, thank you. Hey, Julia, the same question. How does it feel when you come from a family who are well known, so how does it feel now learning your own work?
How does it feel